You are now watching Doorbell News.
North Hollywood, California. Remember this woman from a few episodes ago? She sounds like the Golem. Yeah, it's the Golem. She's back. Yeah, I'll be licking my camera. What's wrong with you, lady? Get lost! Come get your girlfriend, buddy. Let me licking on my camera.
Hey!
Gone.
Sorry.
Costa Mesa, California. We got a trash man here. Let's see what happens. Sacramento, California. This homeowner's trying to get some fresh air at almost 1 in the morning. This guy comes in and starts creeping around his house and he's tucking something in his waist. Let's see what happens.
Knock. Oh, shit. Oh. Excuse me. I apologize, ma'am. I apologize. I'm sorry it's late.
Okay.
Meanwhile, in the Bronx.
Take this off, man. Take it off, please. Get in your pockets. Get in your pockets. Everything. I want everything. Back up. Back the weed up. Please.
Wrong place, wrong time.
Hey guys. I'm not trying to open up your door, dude. I'm just at your door.
Okay, how can I help you?
You guys are screaming so loud, the whole neighborhood, 911. The cops are about to call and I don't want to do that.
I don't give a f***. We is at our house, lady. Don't you dare come to my house. Go on and get on.
No. I'm not trying to be that.
No. What you doing over here? No. Don't touch my door.
Sweetie, look at
I
me.
don't care. What is y'all doing over here?
Rochester, New York. An ATV accident happens. This is why you always need to wear your safety equipment. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Looks like we got a Kia boy here.
We is in our home that we own, and my family is having a good time. What the hell you doing at my door? You get your drunk ass away from my door. Yes, you.
Hold on. Okay. I'm a criminal offensive.
I don't give a fuck who you is. You slurring like that, you ain't now not a criminal offense attorney.
Do your job.
Go ahead.
What is y'all calling the police for?
But why are you calling the police?
Anyone?
What would you do if she came over your house?
Because you're walking by. It doesn't matter. We're not. Hey, hold on.
Meanwhile, in Costa Mesa, he's back. Huntington Beach, California. Apparently, this guy's trying to get inside of somebody's house with a Jimmy. Better make sure those doors are locked. Meanwhile, in Tacoma, aka Tacompton.
I'm scared, man. Hold on. Problem. Let's finish the work in this complex. Stop, please.
Baltimore, Maryland. Wrong house, lady.
Wait, this is their pay me. $30.99. I think this had to be.
Meanwhile, in Georgia, looks like somebody took an ambulance truck and is going on a joyride.
the God damn, boy, these boys deep as hell.
Minneapolis, Minnesota. Better make sure those backsliding doors are locked. Meanwhile in Fresno, they're still outside talking to their neighbor.
Don't worry about it. Marielle, hold on. Hold on, pause. Marielle. Marielle, go.
Lithonia, Georgia. Make sure you pay attention when you're driving. Palmdale, California. It's 2 in the morning and this guy's standing in front of somebody's house with a Care Bear outfit on. Santa Maria, California. Obviously, this lady got inside of someone's house and she's grabbing things. Meanwhile in Minneapolis. Meanwhile in Cleveland, Ohio. This lady lost her dog and she's going around with a golf club banging on people's
Can't answer
doors
the
looking
door
for
right
them.
now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello?
Meanwhile in Costa Mesa, looks like the trash man did his job. Luckily the neighbor was able to put it out. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
No, you allowed her ass to come up. Yeah, she did it funny. She did it. I said go. Go. We don't have nothing to talk to you about. No, we don't have nothing to talk to you about. Goodbye.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.